Assalamualaikum, my name is Maram and welcome to my dream cake. Today, I'm going to be presenting you a new episode of Ramadan Cafe. In this episode, we are going to be reviewing this book. This book is a Ramadan journal around the world. This book showcases Ramadan through the eyes of children in 15 different countries around the world. Let's have a look. First, we have Australia, next Indonesia, Malaysia, and if you didn't notice, we also have really nice activities, and we also have these hadiths in the book. This book is all about the language, food, and culture around different countries. In this season of Ramadan Cafe, we are going to explore different cultures in different countries. Today, we're traveling to Malaysia. Today, we are going to talk about Ramadan in Malaysia. Malaysia is a Southeast Asian country. 80% population is Muslim. Capital is Kuala Lumpur. It is a tropical country. Fasts are usually around 12 hours, whether in winter or summer. Their traditional food is Kari Paps, mee siam, and nasi lemak. Today, we are going to be making Kari Paps. Kari Paps is a curry-filled pastry, and we call it curry puff in English. Let's get started with the recipe. The ingredients you will need are turmeric powder, curry powder, cumin seeds, coriander powder, ginger garlic paste, salt, mashed potatoes, chicken mix, onions, and dough. For the dough, you will need vegetable oil, flour, water, and salt. You can find all the ingredients in my description. First, we added 3 tablespoons of oil. Now let's add the onion. Now let's start making the pastry. Repeat this process 3 times. After rolling, you will cut it into 3 thick pieces. Like this. Now you will take your little thing and you'll press it down like this, and now just roll it. Now you will add your chicken filling inside. You want to add a little bit of water on the sides, and you just want to take this side and fold it over, and you just want to press down the edges. And there you go. Now our curry puffs are done. Let's see how crispy they are. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.